Guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be making a dress, a playsuit. It's a short dress that has a skirt at the bottom. So there are pants underneath and there's a skirt on top of it. It was really fun to wear during summer. I actually made 2 of the dresses, but I've given one of them away. But I'm going to be showing you the process for how I made the one that I still have, which is the one in the patterned fabric. I hope you enjoy the video. This is what the dress looks like. It's called the Queen Playsuit, and I got it from the DolliebyHoang store on Etsy. And it's actually very easy to use. Well, I think it's easy to use. I think it's between like beginner and intermediate level friendly. The pattern was pretty easy to follow, but there was no video, which I know can be difficult. That's why I decided to make a video to follow, because I think having a video would have made it a lot easier for me. So I hope you find this helpful. I will leave a link to the pattern in the description box so that you can get it for yourself if you want. So at this point, I have the top part all sewn without the sleeves. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is what the top part looks like without the sleeves. I've joined all the pieces together at the side. I hemmed the back bottom seam. So the only thing left with the top is really just the sleeve, attaching the sleeves. The neck is also hemmed, and the 2 front pieces are also looking good. I made sure I ironed all the seams, so the work is looking neat. And I'm going to move on to the bottom piece and do as much as I can of that part tonight. So this is a sample of the dress that I am working on. Right, and you can see this is the top part that I just showed you without the sleeves. But for the bottom part that I'm going to start working on now, there are 2 layers to it. There's a top layer that is like a skirt, and the bottom part of the playsuits that are shorts. They're actually shorts. So that's how we get this. So what I'm going to do now is work on this front piece, the front skirt piece, and the 2 pieces that go underneath this layer, but both are front pieces. So that's where I'm going to start from. And then I would move on to the back pieces, and there is a zipper holding all these pieces together at the bottom. Yeah, I just thought it would be helpful to explain that, so that when I'm putting the pieces together, you would have a much clearer picture of what I'm trying to describe or what I'm talking about. So I'm not just putting things together. That makes sense. I hope that helps. These are the 2 front pieces. This is the one front skirt piece, and this is that overlap thing where the ties go through. And this is the inside front piece. These are the shorts that the skirt goes on top of. So there are two pieces here. Right? So what I'm going to do is attach them right sides facing each other, and I'm going to sew it down at the middle all the way to the crotch seam. So I'm going to sew all of this together, and then we're going to attach this bit to this bit and join them right here at the top. Oh my goodness, I am working overtime to try not to mix up the pieces of this outfit. Like I am just hoping I don't get this confused, because I would hate to have to undo any of the things that I've done. But basically what I have here now are the two front pieces layered on top of each other, joined at the loop there. Yeah, so these are the pants underneath and the skirt of the playsuit on top. And now I've got two back pieces. These are the two back leg pieces. Front pant piece to back pant piece. So I'm just going to pin and sew at the side seams. And I'm going to do the same for the other back leg. So what I just did to the pieces inside, I'm going to do the same thing to the skirt piece. There are two skirt pieces for the back as well. And I'm going to be attaching those also at the side seams. So now that I have all these pieces aligned, I'm going to go ahead and sew all those side seams together. This is going well. This is going really well. I have joined the top pieces and the back pieces together. So now all of this is going around to form the skirt, the shorts underneath and the skirt on top. So what I'm going to do is, right now they're like two separate pieces joined only here. So the next part, if I'm reading the instructions correctly, is to join the pieces here and here, make them into one piece here and here, but leaving just this opening that I've hemmed, leaving this opening for the ties of the top to go through. But yes, I'm only going to be joining from about here all the way to the end, and from here all the way to this end, and we should have one lovely piece. And then after that, I can join the seams together to make the circle. Almost there. Almost there. So now I'm going to join the crotch pieces together. So I'm sewing the end crotch pieces for the back, and then I'm going to attach that to the front legs. So now I pretty much have everything set up for the pants. The shorts underneath I've joined at the seam. So now we just have this opening here, which is where the zipper goes. So I'm going to attach the zipper, and I think that's where I'll stop for the night. Tomorrow I will try this on and see if it even fits, if I'm on the right track. If that works, then I guess we can just go ahead and hem the bottom of the dress. So this is what the bottom part looks like. I've added the zipper at the back end. It is the perfect fit, which means the pattern measurements are exactly right. Here, this is where the loop of the top goes through. But yeah, everything fits. All that's left is the hemming of the bottom piece and attaching the sleeves to the top part. And that is very straightforward as well. The sleeves have a slight sharing at the top, so I'm going to gather that bit and just attach it to the top like you would a regular sleeve. And that would be it. Yeah, so let's get that done.